right, welcome back to Charm on Travel. We're just rolling the hogs out of the garage here.
Woo. So they just graded this road. It's a little squirrely.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Luckily, I'm a trained professional. This is just like Easy Rider. Yeah. Oh, shit. Let's not do that. How long have you been riding mini bikes?
So I started my mini bike professional career when I was, how old was I when you guys were like, here's the throttle, and then I hit a tree.
Oh, really? Probably about 5.
Yeah, that sounds right. I'm so fast.
Go ahead and open that thing up.
Here we go. Get a little crazy.
The raw power. We'll go right.
All right.
Wait, where are you going? Oh, no.
Your other right.
I do.
Think this goes the full way through.
I don't know. That looks like a driveway. I think that's someone's driveway.
We're on an adventure, Chris.
I don't think you should go that way.
We're going this way. Oh, this way has been gone.
I'm concerned about this hill, but it does appear that I've made it.
The smile on your face now.
First one that cracks a smile has to carry their bike home.
If you get lower, you become more aerodynamic. Look how much faster I am.
This is as low as I can go.